Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are covering on severe weather. So before we get started on the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like button, and when you hit that subscribe button, please hit that bell so you get a notification each time when I upload a video. And let's get straight on to the video. So guys, basically we have some severe weather in the middle of the US, and so as we look at some models, there's just a line of severe weather that starts, and it like has a little line of severe weather that starts all the way from Oklahoma to Wisconsin all the way up to Canada. So if you have, and like there's this little low pressure over here, so we need to watch out for that area. This says July 15th, 2020, and so as we hit another one, there is even more rain in like this area that I'm circling right now, in this area, and we could possibly see some of this stuff like possibly like go up or just stay in this little area. But yeah, and then we see a low pressure right over top of Oklahoma, and then we have really heavy rain in like this area, at that area, like Missouri, and like other states like that. So this is still the 15th, and this low pressure or system is still trying to develop in this area. So we need to watch out for these possible severe weather events, because they could possibly spawn tornadoes or hail or like really gusty winds, and yeah. So it is like, so now I see the pattern. It is moving east, northeast, like probably those are the two that I'm probably predicting for it to move. In low pressure, 1,007 millibars. This low pressure might move up here, or move down here, or move right here, or up here. There are so many ways that this low pressure could move, but obviously there is a high pressure here, so it's possibly like pushing it to one of these areas, but we don't know yet. So this is the 16th, and you see it going north, like kind of northeast, but not really. So yeah, northeast. It just went in that direction towards Canada. And yeah, so now let's check out the NAM 12KM. And you already see some severe weather in that area, but let's have a closer look of that area. So we do have a closer look. So this is today. Some severe weather could start today, but obviously we have some rain, some like light rain or some parts of heavy rain, just some light rain over Wisconsin and Missouri. Not Missouri, but in those states over near the central US. we have some severe weather. Obviously, some rain picks up in one of these cities. So in a couple of days, it forms a little line that might stretch that far or farther. Okay, so it might stretch to right here. I don't know. But because some parts of Oklahoma was getting hit on the other one. So it might form just stretch, but you obviously see some heavy rain over Wisconsin, Oklahoma. So then you see a low pressure forming, and still that little line, that invisible line of severe weather. Still, my low pressure is down here, but the rain is all the way up here. But you can see parts of the line forming. And guys, this could be for multiple days, up to the 16th. So like I said, it could go on for multiple days. So yeah, guys. And the low pressure is starting to go northeast, up central U.S. But then it's starting to dissipate a little bit. But let's just play the animation. So basically, low pressure goes over Michigan. This is what this model predicts. And finally, we have the NAM3KM model. So this model does predict really heavy rain in this area, but then the low pressure again is trying to form, then it doesn't form. Then we see this little area of just heavy rain moving across Wisconsin, Indiana, Ohio, Illinois, and Michigan. So yeah, and this will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and bye.